Welcome to 502 Foss Drive, located in Angus Acres. This 2154 square foot home sits on 0.52 acres of land, is 4 beds, 2 baths, with a triple garage, central heating with heat pump and AC, fenced backyard. This location in the heart of Terrebonne is walking distance from Oliver Lemon's, the 3 great restaurants, and is just down the road from Smith Rock State Park. Access throughout the region is excellent. The home is completely dialed, has brand new carpet and paint inside. Quiet location, large lot. It borders a nice easement in the back. I'll take you through and all around. Standing in the foyer, moving into the great room area of this 4-bed, 2-bath house. Great room layout, vaulted ceilings, the slider to the back patio. Home comes with that hot tub. The dining area, adjacent to the kitchen and entrance, hardwood floors. Granite countertops. All stainless appliances, newer, included with the home. Great pantry. Lots of floor space in here. Have the breakfast bar as well. And that is a propane range. And the fireplace here is propane as well. Terrebonne does not have natural gas. Entry coat closet into the primary with double doors. Really big room. That is a king bed. And you can fit a king bed with end tables and extra furniture very comfortably. There's a display area above. If you want to have any kind of decorations up there, it's cool to be utilized that way. And as you notice moving through, the carpet is all new. The paint is all new. It's really fresh throughout. Have the double vanity, lots of floor space. Really exceptional shower set up there with brand new glass that's been perfectly cared for. No scaling. Then you have your toilet room, water closet enclosed with its own fan. Always awesome to have that. Into the primary closet. Great organization, the new carpet. Even hooks here for like your robes or coats. Really don't have to use a dresser with this kind of organization. Pretty great to have that. And just to point out, one of the features that any single level should have is this primary separation. Moving from the primary now to the northern side of the house. The primary is on the southern side of the house. Down the hallway past the utility, I'll show that in a minute. Hall closet, and then these 3 guest bedrooms, all good size, really big in fact, nice size closets. This one has a really beautiful view out on the back. The linens closet there again. Into this bedroom. Also has a great view. You can see that fenced backyard. Looking back in there, you don't have any neighbors that can see through because there's a canal that runs along the back that I'll show that has a bunch of foliage and people's trees and fences. It's super private back there. All of these bedrooms, really good size. You can see even where it's not vaulted ceilings, it's a 9-foot ceiling height, which is great. So all three of these guest bedrooms perfectly positioned next to the guest bathroom with that ideal layout. They don't make them better. The double vanity with a separate water closet slash tub shower room. So you have a tub shower combination here, fiberglass shell, and the toilet. This door closes so you can have people getting ready using both sinks, brushing teeth, working on hair or makeup, and still have somebody using the toilet or the shower. Or for some families and situations, people could even be using the toilet and shower at the same time. It's just a lot of functionality. You've got this utility with the sink, nice countertop, good storage. That door leads right out to the triple attached garage. Washer and dryer here are included as part of the sale. There is a pocket door. I love pocket doors. Such a great use of space savings. Close that off to be quiet. Just an awesome home in perfect condition. New carpets, new paint, in one of the nicest neighborhoods in the Central Oregon region. In the backyard now, very private, perfectly landscaped, fully fenced. This vinyl fencing is zero maintenance. Beautiful fruit tree here offering shade. And it does produce this fire pit area. More room for other plants if you wanted, raised beds, good solar exposure back in this corner. And then this is the easement I talked about out back that's for the COID lateral. Gives you a good space buffer and privacy. There's a gate to the front there on the left. And this gate straight ahead goes out to the RV parking and the apron in front of the triple car garage. So good access here. Everything in perfect condition. The slider into the house. Absolutely dialed and ready to go.